completely at random today, just out of the blue. AC stopped blowing, you can hear it. I think that's actually the fan of the truck. Never mind. I was driving into a parking lot and then all of a sudden, literally the fan just absolutely stopped. So go through the settings. Nothing's changing it. So I'm gonna show you how to change the resistor to the fan. It's back behind here. Good fun. All right, passenger side of your F-150. You go in the glove box. There. Press this rubber booty in. This rubber booty in. It helps if you empty this out first. But press each side, and it drops down. Now, some people suggest you can do these. I think are 7mm bolts. You can take both of them off, and this whole unit will come down. I didn't like to do that. I mean, I can get my hand right past up in here. Right there. This is where the resistor is. This is an 8mm bolt, and there's one on the back side, and then you got the plug. So, do you want to struggle with it or dismantle more stuff? It's up to you. But I'm gonna walk you through it. By the way, huge shout out to DeWalt. They make the best ratchets. They have the best warranty. Seriously, I swear by them. Like, their customer service is beyond phenomenal. It's just been great. This is the second time they've replaced this. I use it in all my videos. I use it for every repair. Thank you, DeWalt, for everything you do. White wire there. Careful with that. So I got the whole plug out, so you can see, just depress the tab there. These things never work as easy as they act like. I feel like it helps to push it in, depress, and then pull. There we go. Now, this is one of those things you can check. I don't know how you replace this. I'm sure Ford sells one. You'd have to de-pin your wires, keep track of the orientation. But that is melted plastic inside there, so it's gotten too hot. From overuse or just, 420,000 miles on a vehicle, whether you're using heat or AC, that's got power running through it, so it's gonna wear it out. But if the resistor doesn't, replacing it fix your problem, that might be it. I get Motorcraft, but O'Reilly's offered this standard lifetime warranty. This is $69. So even lifetime warranty on this, replacing it one time, it's paid for by itself, But they're pretty much identical. Put it in there and see how it looks. Plug. Got it in place. little screws, just get them started by hand. Like I said, if you want to go through the trouble of taking this off, there's like one of those blanket shields, foot kick panel that's underneath there, and I think you got to take that off too. I just don't feel like messing with it right now. I mean, you get a finger underneath there and to hold the ratchet. You can get this without taking all that apart. It's just up to you. And these are plastic screws going into plastic, so, or they're metal screws, but they're, you know what I mean, they're designed for plastic, so they're very aggressive thread. Don't over tighten it. There we go. Guess it's just doing 1/8 turns. There we go. It's like searching for it. I know it's there. All right. Press both sides. Press it in. Job complete. Let's test it out. Guys, it has been less than a week since the resistor was installed, and it just a day or two ago, all of a sudden, the blower motor stopped working again. Brand new part. So, went over to O'Reilly's, took the old one out, and inside of it, here's a picture of it, is melted. So, pretty sure that wiring harness plug is just so far gone. It's having too much of a draw. It's got a poor connection. It resisted. They highly suggested that I go with this. This has a resistor, still lifetime warranty, which is great. With this, a whole new plug. I'm not super fond of the idea of cutting off a wiring harness and altering it, but when it's bad enough, you might as well go ahead and do it. So, my other camera died, so I had to go with cell phone. But here's the plug, plugged in, both bolts in, and all the excess. I'll show you what I did. Here's the kick panel. Took this excess because just in case I need to cut it and shorten it later if this fails or whatever. I always like having options. But I took it and I just kind of tucked it up out of the way right there. So these aren't any more stressed out than they already were. Being right here, just a hair away. Get all that extra wire. If you take this off, right here is your fuse panel, but these are the connectors, and that way I can check them easily, get back on here and touch them and see if they're doing all right. Let's see. There's that stud I'm talking about with the floor piece that goes on. Feel around a bit. Got the slides on. Come right here. Christmas trees. I don't even know why they call them Christmas trees. I heard some other YouTuber call it that, so boom, put the box on. All right. Kicked on, the AC off. There she blows. Oh, thank God. 89 degrees. Alright, if you guys enjoyed, please make sure to hit the like button. Leave a comment down below if you think I did something terribly wrong or you have better advice. I mean, throw it in there, chip it in. Let me know your experience with this. The first time I went to go deal with this, I was scared that it was a blower motor because it's like $300 or $400. So I was very happy. Now, second time, and it's basically lifetime warranty paid for, that it's the resistor. Second time that it's just this part. So let me know you guys' experience. Like I said, share on, you know, if you got a buddy who's got an ACL, or you know, if you've had know somebody who's had the same experience, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and catch you in the next one. Thanks, guys.